can't see me right now because of this.
Welcome to the session of COVID-19. Today we will be talking about the lockdown. We will even talk about what these kids think of the school opening. So, my name is Ali Munshi and I am in the same class as Aram Arkham. I'm his bestie, and then I even have my own YouTube channel.
My name is Ali Samir and I am Arham Arkam's best friend, but I hated him for one moment when he threw my tennis ball into the ganda water.
Okay, hi guys, my name's Amar. I'm in class 6. I'm Aram's friend and Ali's friend.
Okay.
Yeah,
So Ali,
that's-
first I'm going to ask you a question. What do you think about the lockdown?
Me?
Yes.
Okay, so lockdown is because of COVID-19. So probably it's fun, by the way. No school, no waking up early. Yes, we do have online school, but not starting from the very beginning one. When you wake up early, then it's not like you're too lazy. But when you wake up at around 9 o'clock, it's way better than rather waking up at 6 o'clock and getting up for school.
I agree with you. I think that's a good answer. Okay, so Ali, you're next.
I think that the lockdown was good at first because we had less homework at school, but now I think it's starting to go crazy because we're having lots and lots of homework since the school said, like you said, that there's going to be the schools opening and the schedule is the worst with so much homework, and I literally don't even have a break. So I think the lockdown was good. And I think that Karachi is not acting to this because I've seen, whenever I go outside, I see people without masks. Literally nobody wears masks.
Yeah, I know. I went to Dolly Mall once. Everybody, there were like about 1,000 people. Right?
Yeah, same. I went there and they were testing, they were sanitizing, but literally the person who was sanitizing, he wasn't even wearing the mask.
Oh my god. Okay.
So
I see,
crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, Amar, you're next.
I think lockdown's actually becoming good because online learning is becoming fun. We're having lots of PE and it's nice because it's a bit of you. It's nice because you get lots of homework which you get to do. You get Islamiyat, which you have like fun exercises and yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
May I add on to
You can
Amar?
you can add a point.
Basically, Amar is correct. It's just that, for example, if we had the art subject in school, it was definitely compulsory. We go to the art class, we have to put it's marked out, whatever. Yeah, we do get marked stuff, but it's just for example, you just had an online class, and you have the work you did in the online class is compulsory. The online class is once in a week or once in 2 weeks, I don't know. So that's compulsory. But when the teacher gives random work and not in online classes, it's not it's not necessary to do it. It's not obligatory. So actually, it's better.
Yeah, a little point to that. In the school's art class, we had about only 50 minutes, and at home, our teacher gives us at least a whole week, and it's fun and easy work.
Exactly.
I've actually made first I didn't used to like art, but I've made the interest of art nowadays in quarantine.
Yeah. Okay, Michelle, you can say something.
I was saying that I like
What do you want to say?
I was saying
Can you
that I
speak
like
louder?
physical school better than online.
You like physical school better, okay? But
But
do you want
why?
schools
But
to-
why?
You want
Tell the
schools?
reason.
So you're saying you want schools to reopen?
Yeah.
By the way, guys, wait. Amar, Ali, everyone, wait. We told our opinions. What about you, Aram?
Yeah. What I think of lockdown
Yeah.
is that it's going great right now. We're having fun at home. We have less homework. At school we have so much homework. and we didn't even have exam.
I
We didn't even have
disagree
exam.
with that. I disagree with that fact.
What do you mean?
Because we have more homework in quarantine. I feel like the teachers are stressing us out because we have classes, and they should even think about the kids that the parents are sending them to tuitions as well. So thoda to
Sunny,
है
your
मानना
point's right
चाहिए ना.
as well as Arham's.
Yeah,
So you're saying you want school to be
guys,
I want school to close.
Okay.
I don't want to even do homework. I don't even want to do online classes. I want school to close. Like literally until quarantines.
You don't want school.
No.
okay.
One
Listen to me.
people
Wait.
cheat in online
Well,
class.
adding to that of the point of Ali Sameer, he said like, I'll tell you. For example, there's a test. Okay, so that test is not actually to be done like like if for example if I'm in a Islamic class, okay, and there's a surprise test, and then the teacher gives us 15 minutes to do it in the class. Okay, no need. If you get it at home, it can't be done in 1 hour only because there are many advantages. Your light can go, number 2. Your internet can break off. Whatever.
Yeah,
So,
I've got something. I've got something to add. I've got something to add to that. So basically, Ali Zafar, that's a form of cheating. That's actually a form of cheating that
No,
you're
I'm
doing
not
something
doing-
wrong. And it's
No,
not
I'm
that
not
आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं कि आप जान पूछिए इंटरनेट बंद कर सकते हैं and you tell miss मेरा इंटरनेट खराब हो गया था, it wasn't working. You can do this. And in
You're going off the
quarantine
mark.
there's
You're going off the mark.
wait, I'm telling you something na. In quarantine it's actually worse than school because we cheat so much that we keep on cheating.
Yeah, I know.
cheating.
Listen to me. Listen to me, you guys are going off the mark. What I am that?
So you guys are
started
doing a debate in this online video.
Yeah.
Bad for your own self. Like if you turn the Wi-Fi off, if you have something marked period, then like your work can get deleted. Yeah, coach. It's for your
I'm
own.
not talking
Yeah.
about turning it off. I'm not talking about turning it off on the point. I'm saying if any load shedding or something happens, and by the way, if a book chapter has it and the school hasn't given us a chapter and it's a surprise comprehension of Islam the school has provided. Well, how can we cheat? Tell me. How can we cheat from a chapter? The school has provided.
Internet. The internet has
No,
everything.
I'm saying
Every-
that listen to me. The teacher has typed it. Okay, the teacher has typed it. The thing is, the teacher has typed it, and then she has not submitted to Chrome or a website. They will give out all the answers. She has directly given it on Google Classroom and given it to us. We even searched on internet. There's nothing. So what
Yeah.
will we do next time?
Yeah,
We
and
just
plus,
open the
even if
12
Miss
points.
says that, do not Google.
the point.
Even if you still do Google, still not the answer to everything. Like,
Yeah, you don't get answer to everything.
yeah, not
Okay,
everything.
we're
Just
not
Google.
talking about cheating.
Okay, you
anymore.
made the
We're not
point.
talking about any homework. You want another dangerous virus to strike Pakistan.
Listen to me. Can I answer first?
Ali Zafar.
Why would we want
Yeah.
another virus to happen if we're already like fed up and trying to get this virus,
Yeah, so
get rid
it's
of
not
this virus?
Alham, are you a murderer? Are you trying to kill us all? You want another
I know.
virus
He's
to
not
happen?
all the teachers to
My
subscribe.
sister-
Billions of people are
Listen
dead
to me.
because of coronavirus, and you want another virus to strike so that more
No,
people. Do
second
you
of all,
want
I'll
the
tell you
end of
what,
Earth? Do you want the end of Earth, Alham?
You no. Do you remember I was talking to you on
What's up, guys?
Hangout? I was
Subscribe to
saying
this channel.
computer
This is
virus
my
aa
channel.
gaya hai.
Wait, I lost
MS Logo is annoying and MS Logo is creating computer virus. That's another virus.
No.
No, listen to me, Ali. Ali, whatever we are saying, we have to mind because whatever we are saying, he's gonna tell the teachers like any teacher, and I'm not naming it. So that to subscribe him, and if she watches this video, she's gonna be like, oh, I think there's something else. There's something between and. I'm taking the point of points
Okay.
around that there's gonna be another virus. No, personally I don't. But like not another pandemic. But I want school holidays, but not a holiday like this. But now I don't need any holidays. I've already 4 months, more than 4.
Do you guys know हमारा school open हो जाएगा after a month, and when the school opens we won't have December holidays. So that's gonna be brutal.
Bro, that's not gonna be brutal.
Arham, wait,
First of
Arham,
all,
wait, let
school
me
is
add
not
something.
gonna-
That's why I'm
Arham,
saying I want
let
another.
me say something. Let me say something to you.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
As our
Because
school is
subscribe to my
opening,
channel.
the school
Yeah.
is opening, so there are my mother said that it's not necessary that all the children have to go to school. Those who have said that they do not want to go to
Yeah.
school, there's going to be a substitute teacher. So at least
Yeah,
in
it's
online classes
optional.
we
It's
will have
optional.
December break. We will have December break because we have been doing this. Well, that's my point of view. I don't know about you guys.
Guys, that's this child who is hosting us today, Arham Arkam Bull. He has a Fortnite account, okay? So no need to make him so innocent. He's even a gamer. And I'm gonna
Yeah,
give
you
you
don't
an
have to
idea.
say that.
I'll
don't
give you
have to
an
say that.
idea. I'll give you an idea, Arham. Next video, let's read about gaming. Next video about gaming.
Next video about meaning. I don't understand what you're saying. Now, Michelle, what do you want to say? Amma, what did you want
Saying
to say?
that next video, you should probably go for gaming one meaning, you know, like
Yeah, you
Roblox.
want me to game. You want me to game. Yeah, same.
Going to
Everyone
school
saying
is
because
optional.
we can.
In quarantine, that the teacher said that it's optional if you want to go or not. Like the people who want to
Yeah, I know, but
work
soon you'll have to
online,
go to
they can do it online, and they want to go physically to school, they can.
But soon you'll have to go to school. Okay, Michelle,
Wait a
what do you want
Wait
to
a
say?
second, guys, listen to me. Let me share the screen. I want to share something.
Okay.
Let me share screen. Yeah, okay. Can I? I can't. The host is disabled. Let me share screen.
Wait, before
Wait, I'll get you the host.
Ali adds something. Wait, before Ali adds something, I want to say something that this what he just said is actually wrong because in Australia it was in the news that the Australians opened the school
Yeah.
and about 15,000 kids got COVID-19. 15,000, that's a lot.
I know, but children have a less percentage of dying.
That you don't have to be scared. At least Pakistan is better because we're gonna have SOPs, and you know what that is? Like school
Yeah.
won't even let us touch our teachers. School won't even let us
Yeah.
touch our teachers. We've been infected. How we're not even allowed
Okay,
to touch our teachers.
wait, Michelle, that's actually I'd like to say something because my brother is in another school and his schools are opening next week. And literally there's going to be
Oh my
nothing.
God.
There's literally going to be nothing. The teachers every day they take their classes in school and they cough all of the time. And the staff barely wears a mask. At least our staff in our school wears the mask, as we see, which is very crucial. It's very crucial because the government has said of the school to wear mask if they are opening it.
If they
Then
wear
are you
the,
sending?
Ali, if they don't wear the mask, if none of our staff wear the mask, they're gonna get fired from their job. Do you know that?
And
Yeah, but
there's
no,
an
Michelle,
issue.
that's none of that.
There's even an issue that agar aap mask
So in this part, my friends were trying to say that 2 hours is a lot of time to wear masks, and if we're wearing masks, we're breathing in our own breath.
Candy floss, they offer people, but they could mask नहीं पहनते. They don't wear the
Yeah.
mask themselves.
Yeah, they don't wear the mask.
Listen to me, guys.
But
Is it
in the
gonna
food
be
court,
like
they
this?
have sanitizer, which is
Listen to
good.
me. Is it gonna be like this? The school staff, not the teachers. The people who they come from their host. So they come from their home. Okay. So like I'm not saying they have germs. We even planted the germs there. So it's gonna if you even wash your hands in trillion times too, like then all the germs are not gonna finish because you have at least 3 million germs in your hands. Now, and it's nothing to laugh on, but it's just that. So if you even wash it, not all of them will finish at least. And will it be like this? The child comes home and he doesn't
Yeah.
go near someone.
So guys,
It's gonna
can
be
you
like
on screen
We
share?
got a lot of people done.
question, next question.
Once I went to my dad with Dolman Mall and they didn't let me in. And then next time I went, they did, and they checked my temperature because I was little. They checked my temperature. They made sure I was wearing a mask. There is so many things that I was like, I'm
Yeah.
never going to.
Yeah, same. I even went there. They did the same. But when I went, the person who was checking the temperature, she told me that go back, and she herself wasn't wearing mask. I don't understand this. I don't. You checking someone's temperature and you not yourself wearing a mask. What type of?
I know.
There was one place which did not have COVID at first, but it now has, which is Karbala. It literally did not have any COVID tested.
I guess.
Yeah, that was the safest country.
Yeah.
That was the safest country.
I saw it on the news. Yeah. All of a
Yeah,
sudden,
same.
it was
That
actually.
was the safest
It was
country,
actually.
and then all of a sudden,
I saw it on the
COVID.
news.
It
I
was
saw
COVID.
it on the Google News that it was saying that a Pakistani went and he was tested positive inside. Then they took him out, and now they're not allowing anyone to go in.
Listen to me, guys. It's a small name. Never mind. But it's like this. Somebody asked the South Africa Prime Minister. It's very it's very surprising that your country doesn't have any COVID. He said, "What is COVID?" He said, the person who asked him questioned him said, "It's a pandemic." What? We don't even have the vaccine. So how do we know? Like, come on, you don't even have the vaccine.
You know, Arham just
The vaccine is actually not made. It's not made. It's all rumors. It's all rumors. All rumors.
I said
Every
on Google on a Chrome tab. I said
They're on the second stage. They only have to go to the third stage.
yeah, but the third stage.
ma'am,
This
what
is
do you
like
say?
this
on
is
a-
like
on
a big virus in, I don't know, 1933 something. There was a whole virus. It was some sort of cough virus. It killed like almost half of the world, and like the
It
whole,
was TB.
something like that. Yeah,
Was
I
it
think
TB?
so. I think so.
Alright guys, I was searching something. I said, is there a cure for COVID? And guess what I found? They say, I watched a video, they said the cure for COVID is like, a group of people were saying, go COVID.
There's nothing for COVID right now. Yeah, Michelle, what did you want to say?
I was saying that next time you can even make a gaming video. It's so much fun.
I know everybody is asking me to make a gaming video. Okay, so do you guys want to end the video here?
Sure.
Or continue?
Yeah, let's do it.
Arham, let me share the screen. I want to show something.
Yeah, okay, share the screen, but don't open any website.
Yeah. No.
You're gonna get copyright.
Yeah.
Oh, what are you saying? Are we making the video again? Hello.
No.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, Ali. You there? Hello, Ali. Hello.
Yeah, sorry. These are all the corona tips we should take care of. Wash your hands.
Yeah, these are all the
Use hand sanitizer. And especially do not touch your face, because that is where all the germs go.
And we have to thank Mr. Ali Sameer for making this slide for us.
Thank you.
Before ending up, I want to show a small clip. Before ending up, I want to show a small clip. Please wait 2 minutes.
Ali,
Okay, sure.
Ali, don't open any website.
I'm going to open any website. It's a video. Wait a second, it's taking a lot of time because my internet is a bit, weak. Wait 2 minutes, please.
Yeah,
Okay, I made you the host.
Sure.
Yeah. Wait a second, it's coming. Hello? Guys, it's happening.
Yeah,
Wait,
hello.
because it takes a lot of time. This is a small clip on COVID and its vaccine and stuff. So, I'll make sure.
Who's gonna screen share?
No, bro. Wait a second, it's loading. I don't want to share this clip. It's loading.
Okay.
Let it load.
Just download the video and turn off your internet, then play it. That's much more easier.
Okay, wait. Let me just ask the viewers if they want me to make a gaming channel. So, guys, if you want me to make a gaming
Guys, I'm sharing
channel,
it. I'm sharing it.
if you guys want me to make a gaming channel, hit 500.
Wait a second.
500 likes in 3 days to on this video, and comment if you want me to make a gaming channel and videos.
And even comment
Okay.
on if
Okay, guys, let's end the
So
video
you guys
here.
want to continue
Let's
this?
end the video here.
Oh, okay. So guys, we hope you like this video. If you did, please
like
somebody
and
continue
subscribe.
the outro.
Please like and subscribe.
Two.
Okay,
Okay,
and click on the bell
everybody
icon for
unmute,
more content.
everybody-
Thank you.
Yeah.
And we subscribe
No,
to my
wait.
channel.
Everybody unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Uh,
Two. Rockstar
Siblings.
Siblings.